short, and every morning for work he'll report to shove big loads of dirt and rocks all around and drag his ripper to tear up the ground.
To do his moving he uses a blade, it's made of metal. Some call it a plate. In back the ripper can have one or more shanks. These trucks are so tough they could tow a tank.
They call him Bulldozer, or just Dozer for short. And every morning for work he'll report to shove big loads of dirt and rocks all around and drag his ripper to tear up the ground.
And here's another interesting thing about bulldozers. Some of these trucks have decelerators instead of accelerators. This means that these trucks will just keep moving unless the driver steps on the decelerator to slow them down. Go, Dozer, go!
They call him Bulldozer,